Hello everyone, this is Parveen and welcome back to my channel Asmi Vlogs. So hope you all are doing good, and we have been to shopping near to our home to a supermarket for some groceries. Actually we have completed our shopping. Actually the supermarket is crowded a little bit and I haven't got any time to record because I was very concerned while shopping, while picking items. And these are groceries and some household items which we have taken, and I have been waiting for my husband cause he is picking some dry fruits to pack. And obviously dry fruits are everyone's favorite, and nowadays it's very important to have dry fruits in our daily routine because it boosts up our immunity. The last month grocery shopping was very much fun because Ahil and my mother-in-law, they both, and we all together came for shopping, and this time they both have been at home. So guys, have a look on a new product hands on which I have been thinking to take or not, but finally I have decided to take, and it's on offer. Its cost is 329, but offer price we got for 199, and I'll let you know after using the product is it good or not, because I have been using Vim and Harpic and Lysol product, and on behalf of those products I have chosen this hands on for the very first time, and I'll let you know how it works. And cash counter is a bit crowded because today it's Sunday and we have been waiting until it get cleared. And this time again I have chosen Savlon because there is no other stock rather than this. And this time we have been shopping groceries for two houses. One is for ourselves at Vizag and the other is for our home which is in village. It's been too long we have been visited our hometown, so we have been planning to visit on Bakrid, which is on August 1. So we took some groceries which are required at the home, at our hometown. And guys, mango season is coming to an end, and the mangoes which are not at all good to pick, so we have been taking pomegranates. And have a look on the fruits, apples, pomegranates, they are looking very fresh and very good. And mangoes, which I love mostly, they're not at all good. So guys, my husband Lalji is very much fond of paneer and he loves it a lot. And paneer contains rich in protein, and it strengthens our bones, teeth, and it's very good for health. So we mostly love to prefer paneer at least once in a week. And we need to be very conscious about the food we eat nowadays because it's very important to include healthy food in our daily life, and it's more important to boost our immunity with lots of proteins food. So guys, keep taking healthy foods and healthy diet to keep yourself and your family healthy and safe. And our shopping came to an end. So guys, Ahil has been staying at home, so we have planned to surprise him with a gift, but there is nothing new stock in the supermarket to give. So we dropped our plan, and there are no other shops near to supermarket to purchase anything for him, and we came back to our home. And here my husband Lalji is very much conscious about sanitizing himself, everything. He doesn't allow me and my mother-in-law to touch the items which we got from outside, and he makes everything clearly sanitized. And after sanitizing, we'll keep aside those items without touching, and later on we'll store it in our pantry. So after half an hour, my husband has separated the items which we need to take to our hometown, and he makes those items aside in a bag and sanitized it with Dettol spray. So guys, hope you all enjoyed our video, and this is our Sunday grocery shopping. So don't forget to like. See you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.